Epistemology is a branch of philosophy that deals with the nature of knowledge and belief. It's concerned with questions like what is knowledge, what are the sources of knowledge, how do we acquire knowledge, and how do we justify our beliefs. One of the central questions in epistemology is the nature of justification. This refers to the reasons or evidence that support our beliefs. In order to be considered knowledge, a belief must be justified or supported by good reasons. There are several different types of justification, including empirical justification, which is based on sensory observation, and logical justification, which is based on reasoning and the laws of logic. Another important question in epistemology is the nature of truth. This includes understanding the nature of truth itself, as well as how we can determine what is true and what is false. Some philosophers believe that truth is objective and independent of our beliefs and perceptions, while others argue that truth is subjective and dependent on our experiences and perspectives. Epistemology is concerned with the nature and limits of human understanding. This includes understanding the limitations of our senses and our ability to perceive and understand the world around us. It also includes understanding the role of language in our ability to acquire and communicate knowledge. There are many different theories and approaches to epistemology, and philosophers have debated the nature of knowledge and belief for centuries. Some key figures in the field include Plato, Descartes, John Locke, and Immanuel Kant. Epistemology is an important field in philosophy that has significant implications for many other areas of inquiry, including science, psychology, and education. It's concerned with understanding the nature and sources of knowledge and how we can acquire and justify our beliefs.